Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. I'm here at the Tropicana Hotel and Casino to do a slot pull. I've actually been in the casino for a while, at least an hour and a half, and I was playing machine. I originally started off with $200. I was up quite a bit, but then I got back down to $200, so I left that machine, and now I headed towards the high limit area here at the Tropicana. I figured I'd take my $200 Tito, put it in a Wheel of Fortune slot machine at $5 a spin and see what happens. So what do you think's gonna happen? Stay tuned.
We're so glad you stopped by. Let's have some fun.
So my Tito from the other machine was just a little bit under 200. So as you can see, credits here are $5 a piece. I got 39 credits because, well, 39 times 5 is 195. Like I said, the Tito was a little under $200. This is a $5 bet, $200 in the machine. Let's go. Remember, those credits are $5 a piece, so just multiply them by 5, and that's the amount of money you've either won, lost, or have left. Of course, the casinos could make this a lot easier and just let you know how much money you're playing with, but you'll never see a dollar sign. It's always stuff like credits or points or things like that. Unless, of course, you look up and you're looking at the jackpot amounts, then there's always dollar signs there. It's just all marketing. I won 5 credits, that's 25 bucks. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Down to 18 credits, 18 times 5 is 90 bucks. Not doing well here, guys. Oh, and I spoke too soon. I just won 40 credits. That's $200 I won on that last spin, so I'm somewhere around 350, somewhere in that neighborhood. Again, hard to tell when we're talking credits. Actually, 58 times 5 is 290, so I'm up $90. Not bad. Alright, so 64 credits times 5 bucks is $320. Doing pretty good here considering I started off with a little under $200. It's been a while since I gambled in the Tropicana. I've been doing a lot of gambling in Caesars properties lately, including not only Caesars but Harrah's. And I'm spending, seems like a lot of time here in the Tropicana, but it's just going back and forth. And that's not a bad thing. You build up comps doing that, but I'd love to see a nice jackpot. And as you guys know, I never really used to play slots that much. I'm just starting to play them for the channel, but I'm becoming more comfortable with them. And as I learn about the credits and the bonuses and things like that, and which machines I like, which machines I stay away from. And again, it's probably your worst bet in the casino. Actually, it is. Well, no, it's not. The worst bet, from what I understand, in the casino is that Wheel of Fortune. You know, the thing that spins around like you're on the boardwalk, and it has $1, $2, $5. That's actually the worst odds in the casino, from what I understand. But right after that, these slot machines. I believe those big wheels are called Big Six. Not to be confused with a Wheel of Fortune slot machine.
That's a nice award.
Oh, and I just hit with another $200. That brings me to 85 credits. That's $425. I started less than $200, so I more than doubled my money so far. I'd love to bonus and spin that wheel up top, but the 7 seem to be lining up and making me win slowly but surely. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Okay, so I was doing quite well. I was up to somewhere around $400, and I started off with $200, and now I'm around $350. I'm not going to play too much longer. If anything, I'm going to play this just a little bit longer and then move on to another machine with you guys. Hey guys, if you're a fan of the New York channel, check out the new Facebook New York fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work. Dan's been doing a great job maintaining that Facebook New York fan page going, and I notice more and more people are joining the fan page, and I also notice even the comments are getting comments, so it's starting to become really active, and that's really cool. Thanks so much, Dan. Alrighty, so I'm down to 60 credits. That's $300. I started with 200. I'm up 100. Gonna stop here because I'm not bonusing here on this Wheel of Fortune. I did pass a Chili Fire machine on the way to the high limit room here, so I'm gonna stop by there and see what kind of luck I have there. And again, I've been in the casino for quite a while. There's plenty of slot pulls coming up here on the New York channel. Alrighty, so I'm starting off with a little over $300 here on the Chili Fire machine. I love this machine. I usually lose on it, but I just love playing it. Something about it. I'm placing a $2.25 bet on each spin. So I'm going well over 2 hours here in the Tropicana Casino, and I am sure I'm being watched. And if you stay tuned, you'll find out that I was being watched. My camera has been going for 2 hours. It's hotter than my laptop after 10 hours of editing, and something's bound to happen in the immediate future. I think the thing with this Chili Chili Fire machine is that I played a lot on my phone, the My Vegas app, and I seem to get a lot of comps when I play this machine. However, when I'm playing it for real in a casino, I never do well. Good news is, if you listen closely, security has been on my back and they're about to stop me from recording. So not only are they stopping me from recording, they are stopping me from losing. Because when I'm told I can't record, I cash out. I act dumb here, not too much of a stretch. Hey, I'm still leaving a winner.
Sir, can't record a stock machine.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.